The cat. The cat. Da-na-na-na. Oh. Da-na-na-na. It's Dash the cat. Da-na-na-na. Ooh. He wants to go into the bathroom. Does he know? We're following him into the bathroom. There's light. Dash the cat. Oh, there's Rusty, the doggy. Dash the cat. No. Where will he go? I don't know, but let's find out next time on Dash the cat. Oh. Dash the cat. Yeah. There he is. It's Dash the cat.
Now let's see what Dash does.
Why is he moving? Why is he moving? It's Dash the cat.
To conclude what happened on last week's episode, he went into the closet and stayed there for 2 hours.
What? Dash is into the bathroom like the last episode.
I'm gonna go get Dash out of the bathroom. Dash, Dash.
Oh no! Who's the stranger?
Dash, let's go. The stranger.
Aww.
I'm going to help Dash out.
Now we're looking at blue t-shirt. Dash the cat.
He is posing.
Dash the cat is walking.
It's walking. He is strutting the pose.
It is. It is. Dash the cat.
Dash, you're gonna be famous on Facebook.
Aww. Stranger, stop. She's our guest star.
I'm Miss Bieber. MRS as in remember.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Oh, we love each other dearly.
Back to Dash the cat.
No,
Dash is here. A giant hand comes out of nowhere and pets Dash the cat. And a come.
I'll get you from your tail. I'm gonna screaming. Okay, that's enough.
And that is for Dash the cat. Goodbye. Cat.
On our newest episode, well, we are leaving today. So
Sadly, this is the end of season 1.
Season 2 will start next summer or the summer after that. So
Yes.
wait 2 years because I know this is just amazing.
So we're gonna see
Dash. That is Dash.
He's a very lucky cat. He walks on his prey. And we hear people laughing on from inside the backyard.
Dash, what do you want to do today? What do you want to
Dash.
do?
Dash, baby. Look at the camera.
Dash, babe.
Dash.
Babe.
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 Look at the camera.
Look at my shoes.
He says that he says that he's too cool for you.
So let's see what he does in the dark closet. But we can't say anything.
But Dash.
Yeah, I think these shoes are really nice.
Yeah.
Back to the cat.
Dash is a cat that is like no ordinary cat. He's staring at his tail. And he is looking at the camera.
He's so special.
Hi.
Oh, you're so cute. That was all for today's Dash the cat.
One moment, too. Okay, Dash is gonna say bye.
Did you just fill my butt?
No.
You better not.
Dash. Dash, come here.